Hello, in this equation, or excuse me, in this problem that we're going to work through, we're asked to rewrite this as the product of two binomials. So basically we have to factor this one. Okay, in factoring, this one looks a little bit daunting because we have x to the fourth. But really it's not bad at all, and you already know how to do these. It's just one little tweak is really all we're going to do on these. Okay, so if, let me just revert it back to something that you're familiar with. If I asked you to factor x squared minus 36, you could definitely do that, right? We need two numbers that multiply together to give me c, in this case, negative 36, but add together to give me b, which is 0. Well, two numbers that multiply together give me negative 36, but add together to give me 0 would be 6 and negative 6. So the factors on this one are x minus 6 and x plus 6, okay? Well, if we know that, this is really not that much different. Okay, the only difference is instead of squared, it's to the fourth power. Okay, so really all we're going to need to do is we can use that same thing right here, only our factors instead of just being x's would be x squareds. So this is how you would write this one, x squared minus 6 times x squared plus 6. And you always know that they're a factor because you should be able to multiply these two back together to get my original expression. Okay, so if I did, that would be x squared times x squared definitely gives me x to the fourth. X squared times 6 is 6x squared. Negative 6 times x squared is minus 6x squared. So those two are the ones that cancel. And then finally we have the negative 36, negative 6 times 6. So this is just like you've been doing with this one. The only difference is now we're just throwing a squared in there so that we can get our original x to the fourth power.